The great thing about Adobe is the freedom to innovate that one gets here. You get to work on products, design things, and create some things which millions of people will use. So at the end of the day, you create something which millions use, and that gives satisfaction.
I like working for Adobe. I think we are a really fun place. We are a young, dynamic, energetic place. I've always been wanting to work in a place where you have lots of bright people. You know, they challenge you, they don't listen to everything that you say, they question you, and you have to get them to agree to your vision or get them to agree to your leadership.
Before setting up Adobe India in 1998.
And I had a chance to start a lab in US itself for another company. I wanted to continue with Adobe, so I went to John Warnock and said, look, I want to continue. If you give me a chance to start a lab in India, I'll do that. And he said, okay. So within 15 days, we are off and working on Adobe India. I think that's what it is about at Adobe. You know, if you come up with the right idea, if you back it up with commitment and enthusiasm, you'll get a chance to do what you want to do.
Adobe creates a culture which demands from people that they generate new ideas, that they take responsibility and ownership for their work. And that's generated a kind of team which does exactly that. The team takes ownership for delivering things, for doing work at a consistently high level of quality. I and the other managers on the team have such a high level of confidence that we can stand up and say, we'll do this product and we'll do it in this level of time. And that confidence comes from the team consistently having delivered over a long period of time, again and again and again.
Adobe India is basically a great place to work because of the team that we got here. We really have a bright folks out here, and it's really fun day in and out working with them. So it's really great to interact with such a team which basically delivers when you ask for them, and even they go beyond what a normal team can do. So they are basically second to none here.
I always think of software as a relay race. You have one team which kind of starts the race. Then after 7, 10, 12 years, they hand over the baton to another team, which is a young team, bright minds, new ideas, new energy. They're not yet tired of the old code base. They feel that they can go in and change a few things. They can take a few risks and take it further down the road.
This is the one place in India which makes world-class products. This is the one place in India where a software engineer can come and hope to work on products which are sold all over the world. This is also a place where you meet the best in the industry in terms of capability. We have attracted some of the best people in the industry, and we have a culture which is so open, which is so informal, at the same time very purposive. So these are some of the reasons why Adobe is such a great place to work.